In today's video, we're doing this sparkly pink and purple makeup look. To start this look, I'm using the Gellar Big Night Out palette for the dark purple shade. Putting this in the inner and outer corners and blending into the crease. Then using the Garden of Juvia palette for the pink shade, and using this to blend out the purple towards the eyebrows. Next, using the Rude Cosmetics Lust palette for the dark purple shade, using this to deepen the purple in the outer and inner corners. Then using the same palette for the pink shade, and using this on the eyelids next to the darker purple, and blending in towards the middle. Then using the Garden of Juvia palette again for the sparkly pink, and putting this on the center of the eye. Then extending the pink color underneath the eye. And using mascara and false lashes to finish the look. And that completes this sparkly pink and purple makeup look. I really like how the sparkles highlight the middle of the eye, and purple and pink are some of my favorite colors to wear. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below, and thank you so much for watching.